All right, today we're going to read a story called Community Helpers. Use your finger to point along to the words while I read aloud. Community Helpers. A community needs lots of helpers. Community helpers are people who help others. Community helpers help all people. A teacher is a community helper. Police keep us safe. Community helpers keep our community clean. All right, next we're going to match our vocabulary from our story. Can you match the picture of community? Can you match the picture of help? Match community helper. Match clean. Match police. Let's read about our vocabulary. Community. People living and working in the same place. Help. To make things easier for others. Community helper. People in the community who help others. Clean. Free from dirt and stains. Police. Officers who protect the community. Community helpers. What is this story about? Community helpers, Halloween, or lunch? Circle. What is this story about? Who is a helper? Teacher, Frankenstein, or gorilla? A teacher is a helper. Who keeps us safe? A baby, gnome, or police officer? Police officer keeps us safe. You finished all your work. Good job getting through all your work today.